What's up, you beautiful people? Welcome back to Mountain Creek Vlog 10. It's the next day after that last video. Hopefully I actually put these out back to back. Anyway, wonderful out today. We got blue skies. It's like 28 degrees. I'm at Brian's house right now, about to pick him up. Should be fun. So I always say the same stuff. What is this? What? Or, hello? Just gotta wake up a little. Gotta have my coffee! Oh yeah, nice. Make another vlog 10. There's 10 of these. Yeah, I'll give you some B-roll to watch. Brian just got out here. We're gonna head out soon.
I have muffins.
I'll catch you guys at Mountain Creek. Vroom, 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 vroom. So we just got the creek. It's still wonderful looking outside, and we're about to head up there. We'll put our stuff on and catch you on the mountain. Woo! Yeah. Dude, I was about to go hand it in. I was like, that sucks. Thank you, bro. You're welcome. Alright, what's up, guys? So, you saw that last clip. I literally just died. Went to hit a jump I'd been hitting yesterday, like, consistently. And conditions are so different today, I don't know. I just started falling. El Slammoed, you know what I mean? Broke my GoPro mount. I don't know if you can see that. Definitely taking it easy today now after that slam. Alright, so we're a few runs in, keeping it mellow today because of my earlier slam. We'll cut to that right here. And yeah, I'm a little sore from it. Anyhow, clouds are rolling in. We're supposed to get like a miniature blizzard for literally like 20 minutes. Snow update. Snowing again. Yeah, pretty heavily. And it's snow update. It's still snowing. Dude, it's actually snow update. Stopped snowing. What's up guys, just got off the mountain. Such a nice day. It snowed a bunch when we were just about to leave, so we stayed for a couple extra runs. It stopped snowing now. It literally just dumped for like a good 20 minutes and then stopped. But anyway, it's a good day, had a good time. Both beat. After snowboarding yesterday and now today, my legs are just sore. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment something interesting if you like, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Anyway, thanks for watching.